for making a good dal. And today I'm making this threesome dal. I've got three greens, Malabar spinach, some of sour greens, gongura, and soya leaf. Soya leaf is strongly favored. The gongura has kind of sourness, and the Malabar spinach has got all the goodness of spinach. So all the three dals, but I'm going to add very little oil for the tempering because I'm going to add butter. In this, add mustard, red chili. This is Teja chili, very very hot ones, so that will give nice flavor. Cumin, add crushed garlic, pinch of hing, curry leaf if you want, turmeric, and you do not want the garlic to brown, just a little bit sauteed. This is what will give the very nice flavor for anything with greens. Add some chopped onion, but do not brown the onions, just saute them till they are transparent. In this, add a little bit of salt. Here I am not adding tomatoes, I am not adding tamarind because the sourness will come from one of the greens, that is gongura. Add butter. Also add some water. All three greens. So roughly cut the greens. Add green chili and add the greens. Greens is a must. These greens are grown organically in my farm, and for me greens is a must every week, at least a couple of times in many forms. So make sure you incorporate greens, because now immunity is the most important thing the world is talking about. But if you eat right, you will be healthy all the time. So let these greens cook for a minute, not more than that. Now in this, add the dal. This is pre-cooked. Today I am just eating dal, so this much of dal. And the greens will add a lot of taste. In this, I have got my final flavoring ingredient, that is nutmeg. So any greens, just grate some nutmeg and your dal will be very very tasty. Let this dal come to a nice boil, check the taste, and you are done. Hot dal is the best thing. Beautiful, tasty dal. This dal has got the sourness, it's got the punch of aromatic flavor from soya leaf, and also with the Malabar spinach. Healthy, tasty, and with rice or roti, this is good. Simple taste, lot of love, and you will just enjoy it.